Hello, this is Kiyoshiro Mibu. Today I'm going to talk about price war and apps to save money. A previous video I uploaded Swift Bucks by CyberDragon is a partner of mine, so he agreed to let me use his video for his first demonstration. For the first video I'm going to upload. This is my second video? Okay, as price war and apps to save money. Picture yourself like going to a grocery store and you suddenly see an increase in prices for grocery items and also like gas prices had increased since the hack was in Texas about a few months ago. So typical grocery items are increasing right now very fast and rapidly are dairy, meat, seafood. Now there's another one to add, which I didn't add yet, is coffee beans. Anything with beans, since Brazil's extreme weather heat, the whole global warming has impacted the coffee beans and shortages and lose the majority of their crops. Okay, Flip Grocery app is an app that compares grocery stores to find best deals for items. Or compare all grocery stores. Like, okay, what's the cheapest for bananas? Like Aldi could be like 59 cents. Giant could be 59 cents. Somewhere else can be about 49 cents. And what this app uses is like bring all the grocery store into one gigantic app. And all you gotta do is check the app, and you can also download digital coupons, and it goes to every single store. And you can find local deals in your area, which are very useful. Okay, Gas Buddy app is an app that finds cheap gas price in your area. Enter your zip code, fuel demand, and it will also show a fuel demand chart with me. Like, okay, how many gas stations are having a lot of demand? Okay, because this is a cheap price, a lot of people go there. Or how many per gas station around your area. And it'll also alert you on vehicle recalls, like what type of car, model, or recall due to brake problem or some kind of other technical difficulties. And it also shows like which gas station accept cash or credit card or both. You can search by city and state. First, I'll show you what it looks like. Let's go to the Gas Buddy app. Okay, gasbuddyapp.com. You can also download on Android or also Apple Store. Okay, typical to get the app, just enter your phone number, text the link, and you should be able to get it. You can pay with Gas Buddy. Okay, I'm going to show you a search. You search by state, city, or state. Let's say Miami, Florida. Regular. Let's do credit only. Alright, in Florida, they also show like Chevron 329. So far, that's the lowest per gallon. And they tell you like how many people used it. And there's like you can find like 299. Oh, wait. And they also give detail about how to get there, the operation hours, so forth. You can check all over 50 states, which is right here, and they give you all the brands of gas stations. So each one you can get a free card or do a premium membership. Okay? They don't have that updated yet, so let's check on the free card. So enter your email, zip code, and you get the free card. It saves 25 cents per gallon. With our free forever gas bill, no bills or hassle, nothing to find, just savings. So for a program, you get up to 40 cents per gallon with Gas Buddy Premium, 24-hour road assistance, no credit check, and the premium membership is on $9.99 per month. And it's been advertised on USA Today, Today's Show, CNET, NBC News, Digital Trends, and what people say about it. This is how the app will look like. And let's check what else you got. There's gas price chart, fuel demand. Okay, let's look at the chart. The chart shows like the average price of gas going, let's say, from last year, February, was at lowest is 2.45. Right now it's August, so it raised about almost like 3.15. Right now it's the average in the United States. So the tools are very useful. They can have price chart, gas price map, outage tracker, vehicle recalls, plan your trip. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is Safeway Reward Program. So everything is exact like parts of the information from the website. So it's easy to locate the information. Like Safeway Reward Program, 1 point for every dollar spent, 100 points equal 1 reward. And you get, and they also offer digital coupons. You can get $20 off your first online order by typing in the code SAVE20. Points expire at the end of the month, so it's 30 days. So they offer a 30-day free trial for delivery. Points can be used for gas or grocery. Okay, minimum order to spend online is $75. Delivery fee is $30. So the first time you have will be free delivery. And there's a monthly delivery fee between $14.99 per month or $99 per year based on how you want to choose it. Okay, so Safeway gas. So you can use your points for gas, which on Exxon and Mobil. Those are the only two. First, I'll show you guys Safeway. I already have I created accounts for every single one, so it's pretty much easy and straightforward to follow. Okay, so you want to navigate how to find an app. So first thing you do is sign up. Typical sign up and put in your information. Straightforward from there. And this is Honey. And other companies are sponsoring this video, so pretty much straightforward. And Safeway for you is where you see your digital coupons. There's a right now sign up and take $5 off your next purchase of $25 or more. Free membership perks, birthday treat, personalized item, easy all-in-one app, digital coupons, free item every month. But you'll have to get some will be 100% free. Other ones you need earn rewards. Earn points, redeem rewards, 1 point. Pretty much what I spell out in the. So next is Wise Reward Program. What it offers is you can save 10 cents per gallon for every 100 points you earn. Okay. And the limit is $1 per gallon savings. The gas the brands they use are Gas and Go, Sheets, Highs, Mirabito, Carroll Motor Fuels, and Sunoco. Grocery savings. How's it work? $1, 1 point. 100 points, reduced price on the grocery. So it costs like $1.55 for a banana. So reduce it maybe about 20-30 cents. Maybe $1.20, 30. People can choose what type of grocery items they want to use for discount. And it'll give you a selection. Items change every month. If you sign up, you'll get $5 off $25 purchase or more. You need 300 points for that. And they also have digital coupons. It's pretty much the same. Okay, what you can use your points for? If you have a Wise card, you can get discounts for amusement parks. Participating locations all in Pennsylvania. The Grosso Park, $23.95. Languilla Splash Water Park. Noble's Amusement Park, both $16. Okay, they also have sweepstakes with the Old El Paso. You can win $200 Wise gift card and $100 Fanatics gift card. 12 winners per one. And they say if you this month's promotions on buy any body armor product, which is a sports drink, enter to win a Pinocchio race tickets and a body armor tailgate package. It's like a cooler and a game board. Okay, next I'm going to show you the site for Wise, how it looks like. Wise Marketing Company. So pretty much the same way you fill out is create an account, enter email, create a new password. Okay, I'll navigate their site. Electronic coupons are right here. My list. Circulars is the weekly ad. So you can, like, once you go to like e-coupon, you can find everything you need for the coupons. While it loads, it'll tell you what. Then you can sort based on category and you see what kind of coupons they have. To view like about their like promotion rewards program, go all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and they'll tell you like what they do in their community, charitable giving, school programs, donation policies. Okay, and how to use double coupon, more ways to save, sweepstake, and prize amusement park tickets. These prices tend to change. Right now, they changed the promotion. So if you buy a Kellogg's product, you'll get 1 box equal 1 free book. And enter to win one of 10 $50 Wise Market gift cards. So all you gotta do is enter the barcode and then you'll get an ebook or a physical book, up to you, from Scholastics. Box tops, advertising 200, so 4 grand prize winners to the Illinois PSU versus Illinois game. Enter to win free food. So just read the terms and conditions. And then it'll tell you like Wise rewards, gas reward, grocery reward, double coupon, more ways to save, and so forth. Okay, the next thing on the topic, Giant Rewards. Giant Rewards is a way you can download an app. They all have apps. So Safeway app currently is having technical difficulties, so you better do online. It's better. Same thing for Giant. You can do online or the app. I do both. Okay, grocery sale. 100 points equal $1. So gas savings, 100 points, 10 cents off per gallon. So every 100 points, 10 cents off per gallon. Special rewards they offer every month are free products and discount on items. They also have a lot of digital coupons. Points expire 30 days when redeemed. Okay. So, okay, let's go to Giant, see what they have. You want to put Giant Foods. If you put Giant by itself, it'll give you the Eagle one, which is a separate version of Giant, but it's not related to it at all. Okay, let's see. Okay, right now the minimum purchase is about $30 for minimum pickup order. And also, on your first $100, you can save $25 or more. Save $25 and get up to 60 days of free pickup. Use the promo code GF Pickup 25, which I'll provide at the bottom of the video, and a bunch of other coupons and discount for like merch, like coupon codes you could buy anything online, like different from tech to something else. I'll put a few of them. So it's a first come first serve. So how you navigate this site? Sign in is create an account, email, verify, pretty much simple from there. So these are electronic coupon section. That's the Giant flexible rewards. Okay, when you want to redeem the reward, it's pretty much straightforward. And it's a grocery saving, gas saving, and special rewards. Treat you to special rewards like free products or special discount. Go inside. It'll look like this. So when you hit redeem points, put how much you want to redeem it, and then on your rewards app, go inside and check earn rewards, and then earn rewards, hit details, and it'll tell you when the rewards will expire, usually about 30 days. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they know how to save money on gas, groceries, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.